Illusions can help us create 3D objects.
Or trick us into believing we can see in 3D.
And here's another handy effect for the home.
You'll need one of these. And then you'll need a piece of A4 paper,
A pencil and some felt pens. First, draw around the hand with a pencil. Next, let's use a blue felt tip to draw a straight horizontal line. But when we get to the hand, we want to arch the curve and then continue the straight horizontal line.
This gives it a slight 3D effect. So Emma, keep going with alternating colours, but we'll keep the same pattern.
Do I have to do the whole page?
We have to do the whole page to get the 3D effect.
Ah.
I'll go and put the kettle on.